If getting one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine has tried your patience, wait until you go for your second. Some shot givers offer no guarantee that you'll get it within the FDA recommended 3 to 4 week window. And if that's you, experts say don't panic. Reporter Larry Seward explains why.
After that first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, your clock is ticking. FDA guidelines say you're protected 95% from coronavirus infection if your second dose of Pfizer vaccine comes 21 days after your first. For Moderna, it is 28 days. But with demand outpacing vaccine supply, clinics give few guarantees. A Kroger pharmacy spokesperson told us, quote, second doses will be available based on vaccine allocation made available to Kroger.
You're going to have a little competition for that seat.
Am I being put in a position where I'm at risk for getting COVID?
Unfortunately, all of the vaccine that's currently available has not been studied long enough to know all of the ins and outs of how the vaccine works.
Despite messaging emphasizing 3 to 4 week intervals between shots, Hamilton County's public health commissioner believes providers have some wiggle room.
If you can't get your dose for a week later or even a couple weeks later, it is acceptable still to get your second dose.
Anyone hesitating
I really want to discuss it with my doctor more before I would even determine that I would get it.
has options. Commissioner Greg Kesterman told us if timing worries you, his department can give second doses to county taxpayers who get their first shot somewhere else. For now, they have to register to do it.
I think the first few months of vaccine distribution is always going to be a challenge. We learn lots of things.
Researchers expect significant boosts in supply as soon as next month, when additional vaccines could be approved and on the road to tri-state clinics. Until then, experts say your best option is to schedule your second dose appointment when you get your first. Larry Seward, WCPO 9 News.
So if you still have questions about the vaccine and when you can receive it, be sure to visit WCPO.com. We've got a full list of resources under the coronavirus section at the top.